Omelets are so easy to make, and I'm going to teach you a fast way to make them. Really fluffy, delicious, and eggs are full of the B vitamins and minerals, so it's healthy for you too. The first thing we're going to put in is 2 cloves of garlic that have been chopped with 1 tablespoon of olive oil. We've turned our pan on to medium heat. We're going to add in our chopped garlic with our olive oil and let that start cooking. While that's starting to cook, we're going to put together our eggs. So we need 3 eggs. We're going to mix them with 1 teaspoon of water and we're going to whip it. That makes it light. Water lightens your eggs, milk makes them heavy. So let's take our eggs and we are going to add 3 eggs to our bowl. Once we have our eggs ready to go, we're going to add a teaspoon of water and we're going to whip them. The more you whip, the fluffier it is. Once we've got them whipped, we're going to add a 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt and a dash of pepper. Whip that in and get it ready to go in your pan. Now that the garlic is cooked down into the oils, we're going to add our egg. So what we're looking for is for it to cook until the edges set. You can see it starting to set up. You don't want it to overset, but you want it to be cooked so it's not too liquidy in the middle. And then we're going to cook the rest under a broiler. That's the trick. So if we look over here, once we get it cooked to the point where it's ready to go into the broiler, we're going to take a 1/4 cup of spinach. We're going to take a 1/4 cup of cheese and we're going to put it only on half of the omelet. So I'm right-handed, so I'm going to put it on the left half from the handle because that's the way I'm going to take it out when it's time to take it out. So I put the ingredients on the left side, and then I'm going to add the Parmesan cheese, left side only. Now that we've got that ready, we're going to turn off our heat and we're going to take it over to the broiler. We're going to finish cooking the top under the broiler. Here we go. So you can see it starting to cook. We wait until it gets bubbly on top and there's no jiggle. So it's just ready to go. You can see when I jiggle it, it's set up. And you can see the cheese is melted, the spinach is cooked in, and we're ready to serve. You start on one side, bring it out, and then you're going to flip it. Perfect omelet. Now we're ready to sprinkle it with some paprika, add some color, and it tastes delicious on it. We'll put some of our nice Parmesan potatoes next to it. And we're ready to have a delicious breakfast. This is such a healthy breakfast, and it's so tasty too. Let's try this. Eggs are your friend, and this is delicious.